Hello friends, it's Kelly, and today I am participating in a YouTube hop with lots of other ladies. There will be 40 different YouTube videos with 4 days fun-filled. It will be September 10th through the 13th, and this is a back-to-school themed YouTube hop, and I'm very excited to be a part of it. So this is the kit that I will be using, School Days by Carta, and just in the pictures that I'm kind of planning on using, I end up only using the 4x6 and not the smaller one. So the story behind that picture is my empty library. I'm a librarian and in an elementary school, and this will be a back-to-school year unlike any other that I'm sure that any of us have ever been a part of or experienced. And I was just kind of documenting the empty library, no kids, and we did do staff development in there, but as you see, the tables are 6 feet apart and everyone had masks on. It was just different, so, and a little bit sad, mainly for the fact that there will be no kids in the library this year. This year I will be traveling, which is going to be fun, going from room to room and bringing the library with me, but different in the same sense. So anyway, this is I just opened up this brand new kit and love the kind of vintage kitschy feel of it. And I'm basing this layout loosely on a Shamil sketch from the class that she just recently had, the sketch class. And this is sketch number 15, and of course, for obvious reasons, I can't show it, but this layout is loosely based on that sketch. And I'm kind of just going through the papers, seeing what I want to include. And of course, I want to include them all because they're all cute, but fortunately, I can't do that. So I'm having to pick a few in coordinating colors that kind of match the photo and the other colors of the layout. And I had started with those, the black and then the dark blue, and I just felt like that was too much dark. And so I wanted a light blue, kind of like if you see in the strip on the side, there's some light blue. And I liked the contrast between the black paper and that light blue, which in what I see right now on my video, it almost looks like an off-white, but it really is like a soft baby blue color. So I will layer, I'm double matting the photo. I want more color around that photo. And then I am going to stack those on top of one another and stack the photo on top of the light blue and the black papers. I'm going to pop this up on some foam adhesive, and I put it right in the center because if you've watched any of my videos, you will see that I love to layer and layer and layer. And that's precisely what I will end up doing here. So I'm going to, my main source of embellishments is coming from this sticker sheet. I'm trying to keep this pretty simple and just not dig through things to find embellishments. I just kind of want to use what I have. So I'm using mainly the sticker sheet for the majority of this layout. So since this is my library, I wanted those books, that stack of books, to I thought that was perfect, but it ends up not staying there. I end up moving things around quite a bit, as I often do. There was just something about the slant of the books that bothered me right there. I just didn't like the way they sat. So I'll end up finding a different spot for them shortly. Oh, see? I almost think that I won't use them at all. But alas, I will. So how is everyone else's back to school going? I know a lot of people are still staying home and doing digital or online school. Even the town next to us, they are not starting back until September, the middle of September. But we kind of gave parents the choice. If they wanted their kiddos to come back, they could, and those that wanted to do online also could, which is very hard on our teachers because not only are they having to teach in person, they are also having to teach online. So they are my heroes right now. They are working double hard. But they're doing it, and they're doing it well. So I found those stickers. They kind of look like chalkboard, and I wanted to make sure that the date was a big feature of the title, because I'm hoping that this will be the last year that we ever have to go through this. I don't know how hopeful I can be about that, because I don't think coronavirus is going away, but we can hope and pray that it will go away, right? Because although I enjoy, I love my job, I kind of miss how it was. I miss the old normal. I'm not crazy about this new normal. And I'm sure a lot of people aren't. But I'm blessed to be able to do what I love, and we just have to learn to make the best of these things, right? So I found apples to go on either side, because apples are always appropriate for school-based layouts, right? Or school-themed layouts. And I'm just layering up my clusters a little bit more with some of the smaller stickers. And that is almost it. I'm almost done. I will end up journaling, and you will see that where I place the journaling here in just a moment on the close-ups. So that is all. I appreciate you watching, and I hope that you all have a wonderful back to school experience this year. Be sure to check out all the other ladies who are participating in this YouTube hop. Have an awesome day. Thank you, and bye-bye.